Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Uddhob Vlogs, and this is our TZ resort, guys. This is my friend Honbir. Hello. Yeah.
So guys, we are going to go from TZ Resort to Kohora ITI. So we will try to show you everything we see on the way. And there is a grocery store and small hotel in front of TZ Resort. And guys, go a little further and you will see Bonhavi Resort is visited by various types of tourists. And in front of it is Kaziranga Resort where tourists stay, and this on the restaurant is inside the resort. And a little further you will see Duburi Resort. Duburi means khas, that is called Duburi. This resort is also visited by tourists to stay overnight. So guys, if you go a little further, you will see a Swagat Homestay Kaziranga National Park. It is tourists come to stay overnight. And there is a Namkhor on the right side. So guys, and a little further you will see Dhansiri Resort, and there is a grocery shop next to it, and there is Partha Homestay shop. In front of it is a place where tourists come to stay overnight, and you can see some facilities inside this resort. Beautiful playground, bridge, river and restaurant. And a little further on there is a Pahis diver room. So guys, and a little further here you will see our Kohora ITI gate, and here you will see construction work going on, unfinished, but it is not complete yet. So guys, if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. I am so done today, and see you again with a new vlog. So bye bye guys.